Hello everyone, I'm your host Boss Zombie. Welcome back once again to Don't Starve Shipwrecked. So another new update came out, this time with a third character. It's Wilbur, the monkey. Wilbur, actually from what I understand, was a character that was kind of designed way early in Don't Starve's life. Oh right, I'm completely forgetting how to do this. But he like never made it out of initial designs. So they have, well, first of all, there's a lot of stuff to explain in my hot bars and stuff. They never really finished his character, but now I guess they figured it was the time to do it. So he's fully implemented. What is it about Wilbur? Wilbur, the best way to describe him is his benefits are he's a monkey, and his downsides are he's a monkey. He can't talk. I mean, he doesn't say anything. Like if I examine something, I do like that he's like he sounds. Oh, what are those things called? Like an organ grinder. He sounds like an organ grinder when he talks, which is stereotypical little dancing monkey. So what he does is, prime apes are friendly with him, so they won't pick up shit around him. Apparently, I haven't seen any yet in this go. But yeah, they'll just I think one will follow you and kind of like give you stuff. I don't know yet. What else? He poops every 2 days, so he generates his own manure. And if you head in a direction for 3 seconds, he starts to run, and he's actually pretty fast. What else? What else do I need to say about him? I think that's it. I think running makes his hunger go down a little faster, but that's not such a big deal. Now, as far as the world goes, I've done a couple things in preparation. So there's a couple goals I want to do with this episode, or these episodes. I'll be doing maybe a few, and they won't be as long as the other ones. I'll be doing more cutting and stuff like that. But I definitely want to fight the new boss, and I want to check out the volcano, which is now like fully fleshed out. So I went ahead and before I used console. I'm not gonna lie about it. I used console to make all of this, so I made a little base for myself with all supplies I could possibly need. The first thing I wanted to do was in the nautical section. Was that it? No, I can't make that. I need bottles, bamboo, and bioluminescence. Yay! You can make buoys now. Wow, Wilbur does go through food very quick. Can you see them on the map? You can. That's cool. Oh, I like the buoys. So I'm just gonna put a couple around the island. And there's plenty of other things I can start doing. God, the Doi Doi sail goes fast. Go this way. I wonder if being near a buoy will restore sanity? I should check that. I think this is a good spot to put one. No, it doesn't. Is it just gonna keep digging? Okay. Now what I wanted to do is I want to collect the things in Shipwrecked. I've never done that yet. Are there any things? I also want to grab some messages in a bottle. Oh wow, killer beehives. I haven't seen those in Shipwrecked. No, I don't think any of those are. Tall birds. Ugh. Oh, there's the shark den. That's a Doi Doi Island. Let's see, Doi Doi Island. Fisher Merms. It's weird. Wow, look at this island. It's like everything in one. I've never seen that. Oh, that's cool. I thought things were easy to recognize. Oh, I think that's a thing right there. Oh, another cool island. Look at that! It's gonna take some figuring out. You know, let me head back to base. I built myself a divining rod. Yeah. To find the thing. Oop. Excuse me. Huh. Oh wow, I didn't know it made waves. I mean, the featherlight sail is nice, but it's not that durable. And the defining rod. Ooh, it's a little hiccupy. Wait, where's my boat? There we go. Oh, now you're saving? Oh. Well, that's not very helpful. Why is the thing freaking out? I'm gonna unequip that. Hello, buoy. Okay, so I know the first one is definitely over there, so I'll go grab that. Look at this game. Look what my character looks like right now. I'm wearing thulecite stuff, I am a monkey, I have a feather sail, I have the divining rod in my hands. For those of you who haven't noticed, the divining rod is actually the radio from like the intro stuff where Wilson builds the door on a stick. Cool. Oh, I have to look at it. That's right. Read. Oh, that's not that far. Cool. Yep, I was right. That is a thing. Thank you. It's the screw thing. Okay, now I guess I'll just have to go around the islands until I find a signal. God, that sail is going so fast. Also, God, I'm hungry. Oh, right. When you do that, it skips to the next day. Oh, suspicious bubbles. Do I hear a whale? Oh. Hello again, friend. Goodbye. I could get unlucky and end up fighting a white whale. I forgot that cooked mandrake makes you fall asleep. Or skips you to the next day. That's kind of handy, actually, for what I want to do. Alright. Boink. What do you have? Oh, just doubloons? I'll take them. Oh, I was wondering where that thing is. Let me go stop by real quick so you can see what that is. That's another thing they added in this update. Yep. The seaworthy. This is what lets you go between worlds. You can, if you have, it's glitchy right now if you're not careful, but if you have a Don't Starve, I think it can be a regular Don't Starve world, or it has to be a Reign of Giants world. I'm not actually sure. If you have one that already exists, though, in your game files, you can use the Seaworthy to travel from this to that world. And then once you do that, you're allowed to craft a new item in Reign of Giants that lets you travel back to Shipwrecked. Can I read this? Where is that? That's far away. Oh, there's something definitely on this island. Where are you? Over here? Oh, there it is. Wow. The ring thing. Another empty bottle. I'm just gonna drop the boat cannon. It's taking up space. Oh, that's weird. Just noticed I got rid of the boat cannon, but it's still on the boat. Ooh. What the hell was that? Oh, these guys! Hello. Oh, it's just one. I thought they came in giant groups. Oh, he's following me. He's adorable. Alright, see you later. I'm hungry to eat. Okay, that's better than mandrakes. God, how did I forget that mandrakes make you fall asleep? Where... is it on this island? Oh. Hey, there's water beefalo here. Hello, monkeys. Yeah, see, they don't, like, harass you. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, wow, a one-man band. I've never used a one-man band. I guess it only works on... oh, there's a lot of dead snakes. What happened there? I guess it only works on pigmen and bunnymen. That's a shame. It'd be kind of cool if it worked on the monkeys. Jesus, there's a lot of dead snakes everywhere. What happened, monkeys? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Fire pit. No, wait. Yeah, wooden potato thing. Oh, so that is all the things. Nice. That wasn't hard. This weather is not great, though. So where's the platform? Oh, there it is. I just looked on my map. Would have seen it. Oh, floaty boaty night. Why? Oh, it's because I'm near the... it's because I'm near the thing, I guess. So just like the other clockwork monsters, these guard. Goodbye. I like the floaty boaty nights. Okay, so... give. My sanity is not do... what is that thing? Hello? I've never seen that one before. Or do you still look like Maxwell? Huh. Well, I put it together. That's what I really wanted to do. Why is my sanity going down so fast? Okay, so did everything I wanted to do with that. Made the buoys, I found the things. I'm gonna activate them at some point to see what they look like, but it'll be weird if it's still Maxwell's head. Because, like, canonically, doesn't this not take place? This takes place after Maxwell's been freed? I'm not sure. So I'm just drying off next to this fire pit. But yeah, that's enough for this episode. So thanks for joining me. Come back, all the next stuff up real soon. But until then, bye.